Hello everybody, I'm attorney Dellutri with Dellutri Law Group, and I want to talk to you today about how to keep your car, if that's what you want to do, in Chapter 7. You have the right to keep your vehicle in Chapter 7. Now let's talk generically at first. Most people have a car payment. So when you're thinking about filing bankruptcy, the first question I'm going to ask you is, do you have a lender on your vehicle? Let's just say you got a 2010 Honda, and the Honda's worth about $5,000 and you owe about $5,000. That is an easy one for me because if you owe $5,000 and it's worth $5,000, there's no equity to protect. You can just keep the car, keep making the regular payments, and that's what's called a reaffirmation. You reaffirm the debt. So when you file bankruptcy, bankruptcy is going to kill that contract with your car lender. You can reaffirm it or kind of breathe life back into that contract as long as the terms are good for you. It's not 25% interest or the payment is just ridiculous or the car's falling apart. Standard agreement, you got a good car, you want to keep it, you want to keep paying for it, I have no problem with that. One of the problems we face in Chapter 7 is when somebody owns a vehicle with a lot of equity in it. So let's say you got a brand new Honda and it's worth $15,000. The law only allows you to protect up to $1,000 of equity. So we need to have a conversation about that one to see, what the car does, how it works for you, what the needs are of your family, and then how we can go ahead and protect those that equity in the vehicle. So in Chapter 7, if you want to surrender a vehicle and give it back, you can do that. You very simply state your intention, I'm going to surrender this vehicle. If you want to reaffirm it, you could say to the lender, hey, I want to keep my car and keep paying for it, and then you sign what's called a reaffirmation agreement. There's another alternative called a redemption. Let's say, for example, you owe $20,000 on a car that's worth $5,000. I know that's an extreme example, but believe it or not, this happens. You can actually go in and file what's called a motion for redemption and say to the court, Judge, this car is worth $5,000, I owe $20,000. The theory behind a redemption is very simple. If you were to give that car back, that lender is only going to be able to go out, take the car back, and go out on the open market and sell it for $5,000. And then the rest of the claim gets discharged by the bankruptcy, so the lender is only going to get $5,000. You're saying to the lender, I'm going to give you $5,000 right now. Not over time, not a new loan agreement, right now. And that's what the car's worth. But you have to come up with all that money right away. So that's something to talk about with the attorney. If you have a car that's got a little bit of a problem, feel free to sit down with your attorney and discuss the best way for you to keep your vehicle in Chapter 7. If you have any questions or you'd like to talk to us further, please feel free to call the Dellutri Law Group. You'll sit down with one of our attorneys and talk about how to keep your car in Chapter 7. At the end of this video, there's going to be a link to teach you how to save your car if you're going to file Chapter 13. So I look forward to helping you in the future. Again, I'm Dellutri with Dellutri Law Group. You have a great day.
Thank you for taking the time to watch. I'm Casey Byers with the Dellutri Law Group. If you liked what you saw in this video, then do us a favor by liking or commenting below. Also be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information and other available helpful resources. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.